Mehaririria ma urimi kaunti-ini ya Naikuru no marathii na mbere kunyita thinga kuri andu matanyihiire mirongo inana gukorwo meyandikithitie kaunti-ini iyo. Muikariri giti wa Mehaririria ma urimi kaunti-ini iyo Margaret Anami augite makiria ma onania 300 ni matanyitwo gugakorwo mekinyitie muthi ucio wa monania ma urimi.
This year's show will be better than even other years because we have a lot to learn, especially during this time when we have a lot of famine, drought. You can all see this drought. And we have exhibitors on the ground who will be teaching our people how to harvest water, how to take care of the crops with crop irrigation, drip irrigation, and many other new technologies which are on the ground.
Anami niongereire kuga Ugitiri ni ugacirithitio na maofitha Ugitiri magakorwo mecemba gutigirira gutigakorwo na githagathago kana uici.
We actually ask all the esteemed show goers and those who have not known about our exhibition to come on board and see what we have to offer as the ASK.
Oho ni ugite ni maheanite mathomo kuri aria magakorwo makiheana tigiti wa gukaingira monania-ini macio na kuona muingi ni ugathoma maingi megie urimi na uria ni uteithio wa kwiyethera uboco wao wa o muthenya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.